Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you a simple DOS attack from my computer to a server. Definitely, the server is mine. I'm using Apache server hosted in my laptop, so I'll not be damaging any other servers. So let's get started. Uh, Check description for download link of the tool. It's slowloris.pl. It's a Perl script, Slowloris, and according to Cloudflare, LulzSec uses this to attack their victims. Okay, so so first I will start my Apache server by typing Apache 2 ctl start. Oh, sorry, I'll have to do it by admin. So my Apache server is up and running. Let's check. I'll go to localhost. Okay, here is my website hosted in my server, and if I type localhost / server status, it will give the status of my current current load of my server. That is, sorry. So you can see all the dots. All the dots represents open slots. So I don't have currently a lot of traffic because I'm the only user here. So now I will try to attack my server. So it's slowloris.pl is in my desktop. Okay, I'll move to sudo. Now /slowloris.pl. Oh, I mistake, cd desktop. Here is Slowloris. It says Perl. Type Perl doc space .slowloris.pl for help. Okay, I'll copy it. I'll paste it. So here is a help. There is a lot of options like testing. First you will use this, then HTTP DOS, HTTP ready bypass, still host DS. All the options are explained, so you need not worry about what you have to do. Okay, first I will show you how to test. I mean, every server has a timeout, a request timeout. So first we will find the timeout. What is the syntax? It's copy. ./slowloris.pl -dns. After -dns option, you have to give your URL. In my case, it's a localhost. Then port, because it's a HTTP DOS, so definitely port will be 80. After that, test. Okay, now it's checking for the timeout. It will take a long time, not a long time, still. But I know the timeout. It's 90 seconds, so I will not wait for that. I'm terminating it. Okay, now Perl doc /slowloris.pl. So I know the timeout is 90 seconds, and I know the URL. That's localhost. So I will go for HTTP DOS. There is the syntax. Copy. Wait, let me look at the syntax. It's Slowloris.pl minus DNS www.localhost minus port 80 minus timeout. In my case, it will be 90 seconds minus num 500 will the number of sockets and TCP timeout. Okay. So it's my server and status is one request currently being processed. One request. Okay. So it's dot slash slowloris.pl minus DNS space localhost minus port 80. I guess it's timeout now. Minus timeout. I'll give it 90, or say if the timeout is 90 or suppose 100, you should give it like 80. So if it's 90, then I will give it 75. Minus num. This is the number of sockets the Slowloris will build to attack. You can give it whatever you want, higher number like say 2000. Okay. Now TCP2 minus TCP2 slash TCP2. It's TCP timeout. I will give it 5. Now I will hit enter and it will start sending fake packets to my server. That's a localhost. Let's check. You can see it's building a host, building sockets. Let's see my status. It's already slow. You see? Sending request here. Dot open slots and W sending reply. So still busy. Something's wrong. Waiting for localhost. You see, it is sending the packets like 1923 packets sent, 2347 packets sent. Now it has sent 5199 packets. That is almost 6,000 packets. Okay, yeah, have you? 150 requests currently being processed. So you can see here R building request R. That means there are a lot of users using the server. But I'm the only user here, so it's definitely a DOS attack. Not DDoS, it's a DOS, but you can make it a DDoS. And if you are using it for a bigger server, then you have to make a DDoS by you can ask your friends, use botnets, anything. Once again, see, PID keys, process IDs. 2 requests currently processed, and it will again rise 96 idle workers, but I'm the only one. I'm pressing refresh. Let's F5. So previously it was I guess it was PID keys were like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 27, but now it's a lot more than that. 60 idle workers. You see, again it's 54 requests currently being processed, 114 requests currently being processed, 129 requests, and it's increasing. So it's a DOS. I'm the only user, but I'm giving it load of 129 users definitely. So and about timeout, you must guess it correctly, because I know its timeout is 90 by that test, and I have given timeout 75. That is fair. But and minus num, the option minus num was there, minus num. So you can give it like 10,000, maybe 20,000, as much as you can. It uses your computer resources, so think about it. And TCP up to, I'll recommend 5 only, because normally Apache server don't go for more TCP timeouts. You see, 48 requests again. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.